This is a 580 Super M case backhoe, 2003. The air conditioner was not working right. It's got Freon. So, the AC switch, this one, this is it here, we done taking the knob off, will spin all the way around, both ways. So we went to replace it. To replace it, you have to take your dash cluster loose, take the switch out, and attached to the switch is this steel line, which runs down, up, inside this column. You have to take the column off. It runs all the way up into the ceiling, which you can see better from out here. So it runs down, under, up your column, into the ceiling, goes all the way up, back in there. Let's see if I can move it. Right here's the line. It's kind of blurry, but you can see the line moving. And it goes, some of this shit out of the way. And I can't get my phone up in there, but it goes up above the cabin air filter where the heater core is. So you have to drop your headliner, pull both columns off of each side, so this is where your cabin air filter is, and your heater core, and it goes up top, comes out the bottom of the heater core, follows the bottom track around, does this funky loop, sticks inside the heater core. And that's all it does, is read the air temperature. Where's the new one? Should be right there in cup order. It's not right here in the cup order.
Is it in the box?
What would you do with it? And I lost the new one. Who carried it over here? Here's the new one, the new switch, and the whole roll that we're gonna have to run. So, since there's no videos of this on YouTube, you have to disassemble the entire inside of the backhoe. Took both columns off each side where the speakers were. Drop the headliner so you can reach up in there, and that's where you gotta run your new line. Right above your head when you're sitting in the chair is where it ends up. And the switch is only $100.
$100.
That's $100. There you go.